how to give access to Instagram business account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Facebook right here and make sure that we are now on our page. Now, once we are now on our page, the next thing that we need to do right here is to click this one right here. And then once you're now in this part, the next thing that we need to do right here is to click on Meta Business Suite. So click that, and then you will be redirected into this page. Now, once you're here, the next thing that we need to do is to connect our Instagram right here. So just click connect Instagram right there, and then just click continue. And then once you have now connected your Instagram account, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the settings. Once you're now on the settings, just go here on this part and make sure that you are in a business portfolio. Now, once you're now on this part, just go here on the people under the users. And then what we're going to do is to click invite people. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to add their email address. So let's say, for example, that this is their email address. And then if you want to give them temporary access, it's up to you. But I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click next. And then in this part, if you want to give them partial access, it's up to you. Or if you want to also give them full control, it's also, of course, up to you. But I will just again leave it as it is. And then click next. And then in this part, we're going to select our business. So this is the page that we're going to use. So let's say, for example, that this is our Instagram page that we have just previously created, which is right here. Now, let's say, for example, that this is your Instagram account, right? So we're going to click that. And then once you're now here, just click on confirm selection. And then in this part, you will now be able to see this partial access and then, of course, full control. Since we only would like them to have a partial access, we're going to turn this on, and then I'm going to click on next. And then after that, click invite with one asset right here. And then once you do that, click OK. And then what we're going to do is to go into our Gmail and then just go here on the account. And then if you look right here on the email, you have been invited to this page. So what we're going to do is to just click view invitation right there. And then, of course, all you have to do is to accept it. After that, this account will now have partial access to your Instagram page. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to give access to Instagram business account.